The 2020-2023 Chevy Corvette C8 cabin air filter is crucial for clean air inside your vehicle. Replacing it prevents allergens, odors, and dust buildup, maintaining your HVAC system's efficiency. Located behind the passenger side dashboard, it's a routine task vital for driver comfort and system longevity. Expect to change it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles, or annually. The cabin air filter in your C8 Corvette is positioned behind the passenger side dashboard. To access it, you'll need to remove a plastic trim panel located below the glove box. It's a rectangular housing, approximately 10 by 6 by 2 inches, containing the removable filter element. No specialized tools are required for access. For replacing the cabin air filter in your C8 Corvette, you'll need a basic set of tools. Start with a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws holding the trim panel in place. Next, use a trim removal tool or plastic pry bar. These help release the plastic clips without scratching or damaging the dashboard trim. You may also want nitrile gloves to keep your hands clean while handling the filter and working in the tight space. No power tools are necessary for this DIY task, which should take about 10 to 15 minutes to complete. Start by parking the vehicle in a safe location and turning off the ignition completely. Open the passenger door and locate the trim panel below the glove box area. Carefully pry off the trim panel, which is secured by clips and screws. Use appropriate tools to avoid damage. Pull out the old filter and note the airflow arrow indicating the correct installation direction. Insert the new filter, ensuring a snug fit and correct airflow direction based on the arrow. Reattach the trim panel securely and test the HVAC system to ensure proper operation. Use OEM or equivalent filters to ensure warranty compliance and proper fit. Aftermarket suppliers like AC Delco offer suitable replacements, typically costing $15–30. As of 2025, Chevrolet has integrated improved filter media in later model years, 2022 to 2023, with enhanced particle capture for better air quality. The filter is a standard pleated design, easily accessible without specialized tools. But owners report minor variations in panel fitment across production years. Always note the airflow arrow on the old filter before removal to ensure correct reinstallation. Double-check the panel fitment after reattaching to prevent rattling. Be careful when prying off the trim panel to avoid damage. Regular checks during routine inspections are recommended due to increased awareness of indoor air pollution. Forums highlight that 2023 models have slightly reinforced mounting clips to prevent dislodging during rough driving. Automotive maintenance trends are shifting toward proactive, health-focused care, with cabin air filters gaining attention amid rising pollution awareness. Expect advanced filters like activated carbon for odor removal in future models. Sustainable materials will also be incorporated into these future cabin air filters. Rumored electric C8 models may integrate smart filters with app alerts for replacement. EVs could evolve with regenerative air systems, potentially eliminating manual changes.